Hello, this is Brad Court, President of Web2Market. Thanks for watching this video about the Forms plugin. The Forms plugin can be used many ways. It can be used as an information request form, a customer registration form, a product return form, or just about anything you can use a form for. It can have several field types, including text, radio buttons, and drop-down lists. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Forms plugin in action. Here on the ScooterWorks site, they're using the Forms plugin to collect catalog requests. Let's take a look through the data that's being collected and the types of fields so that you get a better understanding about how the Forms plugin can be used. On the top, they're collecting information that allows the customer to create an account on the site. This information is stored in AbleCommerce and can be used later in the billing and shipping address information and the checkout. Scrolling down, we see that information, name, address information. Is the address a residence or a business? Phone and fax. Scrolling further down, we see a couple of different types of fields here. We see radio buttons and drop-down lists. The Forms plugin supports both, and the information collected in these fields can be sent in an email to you. The form on the ScooterWorks site is an example of a pretty complex form, but the Forms plugin can be used for a variety of different applications, and you can create a much simpler form. For example, on our site, the Web2Market site, we have a contact form within it, and it gathers only a few fields of information. But let's take a look at it as an example also of the validation that's done, and to see what happens after you submit the form. I'm going to go ahead and fill in a little bit of information here, and I'm going to skip my email address, which is a required field, and I'll go ahead and click Send Message. As you can see, the message came up that highlighted in red the fact that an email address is required. I'll go ahead and fill that in, click Submit, and as you can see, it tells us, gives us a confirmation thanking us for our request. As you've seen, the Forms plugin can be used in a variety of applications within a site. However, note that it does require a knowledgeable AbleCommerce developer to fully utilize its features. If you don't have one or aren't one, we'll be glad to provide a quote for you on creating the form or forms that you need. You probably have more questions. If so, please visit our website or give us a call.